Ladies, if you're on a fat loss journey or hormone health journey, you have zero time to go to the grocery store, you have zero time to prep, steal this Costco Instacart grocery haul. So first and foremost, as a family of 5, we eat a ton of fruit. I always make sure I buy organic berries, raspberries, blueberries, grapes, and organic apples. Pesticides are an endocrine disruptor, which is a lot of times why you have perfect blood work when you go to the doctor, but you have all these crazy fucking symptoms of hormonal imbalances. There are some foods you do want to buy organic, like these, but there are some foods like bananas, avocados that you do not need to buy organic because it does not break through the skin and permeate to the flesh. These cooked brown rice bowls are excellent, very quick, no prep required. Way back, I used to use the seeds of change, but they have a bunch of fillers, a bunch of additives, bunch of seed oils. These are very, very clean and 100% organic. As far as vegetables go, the majority of our vegetables come from Whole Foods. We don't have any time to prep. These are a great option, these frozen tattooed chef sheet pan vegetables. Great to pair with the rice and some sort of protein. For proteins, we have this organic Kirkland chicken breast and this already cooked pre-sliced grass-fed steak. The macros on the steak are pretty insane. You got 120 calories, 19 grams of protein, tons of CLA, conjugated linoleic acid, which is great for fat oxidation and fat mobilization. As far as chicken, you're probably thinking, oh my God, I have to prep all that? The best hack that I've ever discovered is spending $100 on a sous vide. This is the sous vide. You fill it up with hot water. This keeps the water hot at whatever temperature you need to cook the meat at, or whatever you're cooking at, so it cooks to the perfect temperature. You wash up the meat, you season it, you put it in these bags, you vacuum seal it. It cooks, and then you can actually just keep it in there up to like 2 to 6 to even 10 extra hours because it's just circulating the same heat and it's not going to overcook them. So it saves time that you don't have to actually wait by an oven all day long. And another hack, you are going to only have chicken for 4 days until it spoils. If you get something like these airtight canisters, use the vacuum sealer to suck all the air out of it. This stays good for 7 to 10 days, decreasing the amount of times that you have to prep throughout the week. You can prep any of your proteins, any of your vegetables, sweet potatoes, whatever you want in there. Catalina Crunch, I love this because it's sweet with stevia and monk fruit. It's also got a shit ton of fiber and a lot of protein, 11 grams for 110 calories. This Catalina Crunch, by the way, has 9 grams of protein per serving. You want to shoot for 30 grams. Good gut health equals natural GLP-1 secretion, estrogen clearance, and T4 to T3, your active thyroid conversion. You can pair it with like a ready-to-drink protein shake, 30 grams of protein, 150 calories. Right here, you basically have 350 calories at 50 grams of protein. That's more than a third of your daily intake as a woman. These Nuri ready-to-drink protein shakes are fantastic. They're lactose-free, so really great on digestion. Ultra-filtered. They come from grass-fed cows. 470 milligrams of potassium and 50 milligrams of magnesium. If you're a woman, you want to shoot between 400 to 600 magnesium coming from natural sources. And last but not least, we have milk for the twins. They are drinking a shit ton of milk these days. A2 organic whole milk, great on their digestion, great on their overall health. And if you want my free no prep Costco grocery list, DM me Costco grocery list, no prep. I'll send it to you ASAP.